Yes, people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bobby Nature World. It's been a while since I leave the platform and I put up no video because about not 2022 or 21, something about I was trying to be a YouTuber but never really understand what I was doing and put it down. But then recently I decided to take it up back. It is a make-up mind situation because I'm not a person who like to be outside the camera world and like a shy type of something still. But cut out shine is well. Anyway, this is Bobby. This is nature world, right? Bobby Nature World. I live in extreme nature. My name is Bobby for real. So I just said so. Yeah, Bobby Nature World. So I just want to share my world with the rest of the world. Yeah, and thanks to Spearfish Fisher Papi, YouTuber, I buck him in the street and him give me a little highlight as I was explaining him to him. And he give me a little highlight and show me a little maths. Give me a little confidentiality bit. So now this is my first video since him show me what to do on my own phone. Because I thought I never could have do it on your own little phone, but he said me have to start somewhere, so me have to start somewhere. So this is it, people. So, I don't know if you really flip the phone camera while me at video. But I don't see it on my phone. So I don't know if it's splice video. So I can't hold it, I can't turn the phone the other way. So I'm going to turn the phone around and walk and show you my place and show you where I go. I don't know how long the video will be, but welcome to Bobby Nature World. Tune in, people. This is my world. So this is me videoing my world. Yeah, my first video since long time. Now, the little youth show me what to do. Because me I say if somebody want to say something to me, then me not going to know to answer them, but him show me a little thing from my phone. Big up again to Papi, spearfishing YouTuber, yeah? From out a color group. Watch them all the while from the system. Watch them. I'm a fans of them. Jujibur, Color, D1, the whole of them, I watch them. I like them content, Content is authentic content, not about people business and mix up. It's about their own life story and what they are going through. I like those kind of stuff, and that is what I'm doing with my YouTube channel. That is what I'm about to do. That's my own personal issue, my own life. Not about people life and the mix up and all them stuff and try to, it's about naturality. Yeah, so this is just me videoing. Yeah, welcome to my world, Bobby Nature World. Yeah, so welcome. Well, I'm a first time YouTuber, so only thing I always hear them say, like and share and subscribe. Oh, this is where they do rafting. This is rafting area on the Rio Grande. You come here, you get, it's like White River. You come here, you get rafting. You raft them. Bamboo. video from a very long time. My first serious video about being a YouTuber. This is my first serious video I'm gonna post. My first serious video. Now this is a raft that they are making. Making a raft. See the bamboo? Freshly making bamboo raft. See? That's how they make it. See another one over there. That's how they make it to go on the river with the tourists or with the black people. Anybody who want to do the rafting. Yeah. So this is just me videoing myself. I don't have a video back. Rafting on the Rio Grande. You want to go rafting? It's supposed to be popular tourist attraction, but somewhere down the line it popped down. I don't know what's going on. But you get them customers time to time. Terrible down, what's going on? Yeah, see. Yeah, man. My nature world, eh? First video. Trying to be a YouTuber. Like the thing, you know? Like it. Always in my house I watch them thing up on YouTube, on the TV. So I like them kind of stuff like. So I'm going to do it.